Before Plex, the scheduling was a very manual process. Now with the hot list, a lot of the work that the supervisor would have done in the past prior to the shift and even making adjustments during the shift can be done very easily through the hot list. So now the supervisor can go and make sure that the associate has what he needs. The way I start my day is looking at reports. I go and pull data from yesterday. How did we do? What do we have to do today? Plex makes it very easy for us to pull that data and gives me a 10-minute look at what I need to know for the rest of the day, to go ask questions, to go make sure everything's going to stay on track. As far as the shop floor goes, I can look at the schedule, I can know what we're going to be working on, I can pull data and see how we did the night before with our automation to make sure that everything completed. If we didn't, I can go out to the floor and I can understand what do we need to do to get back on track. I'm most excited about the total connectivity that we can have. That kind of connectivity from the front to the back is super exciting, and Plex has allowed us to do that.